Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Welcome to springtime in BC. Holy cow, I was in shorts a week ago. Not so much anymore. Yeah, spent the weekend here and got to figure out where to go next. Just gonna go into town for a few days and then maybe go up to the North Island. But it was nice to relax here and do nothing all weekend. So yeah, it's getting windier here. That's why I'm pulling in the awning. Getting windy, and holy cow, look at all the pine needles I got on the roof. Holy cow, gonna have to sweep that off. So yeah, we are just at Rathtrevor Provincial Park. Stayed here for the weekend. It was a good place to come. It was actually, I'm glad I didn't come on the Friday that I got here, because people were apparently doubling up. People were apparently doubling up on the sites and stuff, but it was sold out that night, which is pretty crazy. I don't think I've ever seen this place sold out in the springtime anyway. But one of my other favorite spots, Qualicum Falls, opens up next week. A lot of the places are still closed, actually. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to figure out what's open and what's closed. So I'm going to go to town because obviously with all the trees here, I'm not getting any Starlink service. Um, so yeah, I might just go park over at the day use parking area because it's wide open. There are no trees there. And check out the interwebs and see where I'm going to next. So if you have a powered awning and you're wondering why it never closes properly when you reel it all the way in, it's probably because you're all full of pine needles like that. So that's why I always sweep it off to make sure that stuff doesn't get all bunged up, because one year I almost had to I had to use the screwdriver to more or less pull all the stuff out. It was so compressed in there. So now I always try and clean it up before I roll it in every time. As long as it's not wet, thank goodness, because it is supposed to start raining anytime soon. I think this tree cover has really helped me with the rain this weekend, that's for sure. Anyhow, we'll see you in a bit. Beautiful. All right, let's take Miss Uma for a walk and then we'll figure this stuff out. All right, I just got back from taking Miss Uma for a walk, but I've had my freezer off for a couple days now, and I left the lid closed, so it's got a little stank to it. I'll put a little vinegar in there to get the stank out, and just in case there's any mold or mildew or anything, get that out of there. And get the freezer ready for the summer season. This freezer's definitely been good to me. I think I've had it for like 5 years now or something. We're pretty close. Got on a Black Friday sale in the US. I think it was like $120 or something like that, which was awesome. I don't know if you can still get them that cheap or not, but Alpacool, if you're watching, I'll take another freezer. I'd love to get one of those dual zone ones. Those are pretty cool. That'd be nice to have extra fridge space and freezer space. I just use mine as a freezer right now. But yeah, having dual space for everything, especially if I'm going to be spending more time in Mexico next year, it'd be nice to have a lot of bulk food with me that I can hang out on a beach for weeks at a time. Sounds pretty good to me. Yeah, we are back at Rathtrevor Beach, actually. I thought I'd come here. There's barely any tree cover in this parking lot, and it's good for Starlink. And I'm going to make a pot of chili today since it's cold weather. It sounds like good comfort food to me. So yeah, that's my plan for today, is just to hang out here and abuse my Starlink privileges. Probably watch some Netflix. Maybe have a nap. I don't know. Haven't figured it out yet, but it looks half decent for this weekend coming up, so I might head up to the North Island, to one of the campsites that I like going to. We shall see. I'm just keeping an eye on the weather. But yeah, I wanted to get this cleaned up before I got it too many more groceries. I could only get a few things actually for the freezer, because that fridge fits next to nothing in the freezer there. So yeah, when I go back into town today or tomorrow or whenever, I can reload my freezer once the stank's out of it. Here we go, all nice and clean. Nice. Here's one of Uma's favorite treats, the last of the peanut butter jar. She'll be busy with that for a good 15-20 minutes. You'll be amazed how good of a job she does. Good job, Uma. Look at that. She's so good at that. I think she ate a little paper with it, or maybe. But yeah, you finished it. Is that good? I don't think there's any left, baby. Good job, though. I haven't shown this for a while, but when I am using the slow cooker, the thing that I love about this Instant Pot Mini is it fits perfectly in my sink. It's just nice and tight. Can't spill when I'm on the road. Still have, what, hour 43 minutes of slow cooking to go. I'm getting ready to go, so I can leave it plugged in, the inverter on, while I drive. And I know it's not going to spill or make a mess. Beautiful. Alright, well, this rain's getting awfully frustrating. Holy cow. I don't know how you people survive all winter on Vancouver Island, or even in Canada all winter. This is just crazy. Been here for not even a week yet, and I feel like I already got seasonal affective disorder. Holy cow. I don't think Uma's liking it too much either, are you? Hey, baby? You like to be outside all the time, don't you? So yeah, been kind of boring sitting in the rain all the time, sitting in the van. Thank goodness for the new Roku, and at least I can watch TV all the time. Ain't getting much solar either. Holy cow. So anyway, yesterday I went online, I was searching out merchandise, and I got AI to make a few things. So maybe I got some new merch coming up. Check it out. Kind of cool, eh? I don't think I'm ever going to sell merch like that. I think that would be a little too pricey to make. But yeah, pretty cool how that comes out. AI generated all of it. Cool. Anyhow, that's it for this week, guys. I've had enough of the rain already, and yeah, I'm signing off. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. We'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.